Welcome to the Eurospec. In case you didn't know, and you probably weren't even aware of this, the European market got a different model of the XJ, or X300 as known in the internal Jaguar world. And this one's quite unique. And I thought that maybe you should take a look at it from a different angle because it's got a very, very, very unique feature in it. And it's from the factory. Guess what? Yep, that's where you see it. Manual gearbox. 5-speed. This is a 1996-97 model year car. One owner from new. Full service stamp book from Jaguar in Madrid, Spain. And as you can see, in pretty immaculate condition, but very cool. It only has 68,000 kilometers. And those are original kilometers by not even driven by the actual owner, who was an elderly woman. It was by her driver, who was the one that was in charge of taking her around. So very cool XJ6. Now, normally you would think that the V12 would be the model to have, which it kind of is, but the V12, the power and the torque that the V12 would generate would not handled properly by the gearbox. That's why it had an automatic and not a manual. Similar scenario happened with Mercedes. Mercedes would not stick a manual gearbox in those cars that had a V8, only the ones that had a 4 or a straight 6. Anyway, very cool car. We're gonna give it a little bit of a buff just to make it look pretty. And tomorrow it will be on its way to the US as it will be delivered to the port of Vigo, Spain. But I thought you might need to look at it a little before. All right, we'll see you on the next one.